So I'll be unpacking my Lunafly album now. I've already opened it because it takes me time. But I haven't seen inside it, so let's get going. Stuff first here. Oh, isn't Yoon looking so pretty? I love Yoon, he's my bias. Taeyo is looking pretty as well. Sam is looking crazy. So pink. I don't know what's going on here with Taeyo, like his face. But Yoon is cute as always. Sam is just being crazy. Sam's face is like confused here, and Taeyo's just being Taeyo, being all just gorgeous. Oh, Yoon looks mad. Oh, isn't that adorable? I think Yoon is mad because they made him crouch down. You can just tell he's mad because of that. Thank you message in Korean, which will take me time to decode. Oh, Yoon, he's looking so gorgeous here. Oh, I love him. Why are you hiding your face? Oh my god. Okay, this picture I love. I love this picture. This is love here. I love this picture. Like his hair is all perfect, and there's a star there. This is my favorite picture. I just love it. Thank you message in English. I'll be reading that later. Sam. Oh boy, what are you doing? What's going on here? Very serious. You know those yellow lips? I don't know why, but I can't seem to like them. It's just, I really don't like those yellow lips. I really hate it. I don't know why, but those yellow lips are just a big no. They're just a no. There's like, why? Who came up with the concept of yellow lips? It's just, no. Another thank you message in Korean. Taeyo, I'm looking so very pretty and pink. Oh god, why is Taeyo so pretty? I'm telling you, Taeyo's pretty. It's so pretty. It's like, he's prettier than any girl. Like, Taeyo's just gorgeous. Look how gorgeous he looks. Looking very serious, kind of. I love this picture of Taeyo. Like, it's just gorgeous. Like, I love whatever's going on here with his hair. Like, so rainbowy. It's like you got almost every color from like pink to blue to red to purple to orangey, yellow. I don't know, just everything hair color that you can think of is there in like one. I love it. So that's what contains in CD1, the Korean version. What's going on with these people? Oh my god, these faces. Oh, why are they so cute? Okay, Yoon, you're such a baby. Oh, Sam, I'm not gonna say the word. I'm not saying anything. Let's move on. Sam looks confused. Taeyo's just thinking, what's going on here? And Yoon is like, Yoon is just being Yoon. Oh, he's so perfect. But yes, what's going on with your face? So those are the songs. Kisses, Fly to Love, Help Me Find a Way. I can't read that. I need time. One More Step. No Korean, no Korean. This is what contains in CD2. And the pictures. I like this picture. Oh, Yoon's smiley face. Oh, Taeyo, why are you so pretty? Seriously, he's just pretty. Van Gogh, Fly to Love. Innocent and Young, Superhero. One More Step, Day by Day. What's Your Name? Ooh, what are these? Photo cards. And they're signed. Look how gorgeous it looks. Oh, Taeyeon drew is that an egg? Is that meant to be an egg or a vase? But so adorable. I like this picture. He's looking very classy and in pink and just I love that look. I love it. This is so cute. Oh my god, Sam. Okay, I love this picture of Sam. He's looking gorgeous and like he's holding a book. Oh my god. Okay, I really like this picture. I love this picture. I love it. Not like. It's not a like. It's a love. This is a love. I love this picture. Yun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm in love. His sign is so pretty. Oh god, I love it. Lunafly. Okay, I love this picture. Oh my god, just look at his face. Other half of his face is hidden below. The other half that's not hidden is just... Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm so dying. Okay, I love this picture. What's this? I think it's a sticker. Yeah, it looks like a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker there. Don't think you can see it. There. Okay. That's the last one. You got something I need. Credits page. Yun is holding pictures. Polaroids. Oh, they're so cute. Some crazy pictures. Oh, so pretty. Yeah. I love him. Just look how gorgeous he is. Those yellow lips. His hair is so pretty. Just look at that crazy hair going on there. Okay, so that's the first CD in Korean. And that's the second CD, English version. Awesome. And that's the end. Oh, this is so crazy. Just look how crazy they are. Sam is very crazy. Ayun is just looking very cute. It looks like a little baby, like just a baby. Taeyeon's hair is just like, oh boy. I love it. So that was the album. And then, oh, before I forget, the poster. Ooh. Fly to Love, Lunafly. There, that's the poster. It's very brown, so. But yeah, that's the poster. Doesn't look gorgeous. I'm gonna stare at you all this time. I'm telling you. Anyways, I'm gonna go now.